some dry ice cream, and I'm gonna sacrifice this ice cream sandwich. The first step is to remove its skin. I'll then put it into a super cold freezer, and I'll leave it in there for a few hours. By now, it should be nice and cold, and the next step is to cover it with this giant plastic dome thing. With this in place, I can turn on my vacuum. By now, it should be nice and cold, and the next step is to cover it with this giant plastic dome thing. With this in place, I can turn on my vacuum pump, and I'll pull out all the air. This caused the ice cream sandwich to grow a little, and I think it's because I didn't leave it in the freezer for long enough. Either way though, what I was doing here was something called freeze drying. Under the strong vacuum, it was no longer possible for liquid water to exist, and it could only either be a solid or a gas. So, all the water in the sandwich, which was ice, was turning directly into vapor without ever melting or becoming a liquid. To get rid of all the water, I'll have to leave it here for about 24 hours. So it's now a day later, and it's looking pretty good. All I have to do is release the vacuum and take it out. What I'm left with looks almost the same as before, except it's really hard and crumbly. It's still more than edible though, and I think it tastes okay.